Hello viewers, in this lesson we're going to learn about matrix of the cofactor. How do you find the cofactor of a matrix? So in an example you're told 1, you're given 1, matrix 1, 2, 3, 1, negative 2, negative 2, 1, 4, negative 2 into x, y, and z. So how do you find the cofactor of the given matrix here? Now solution. When you've taken 1, the first row, the first row is always positive, negative, positive. The second row is negative, positive, negative. The third row is positive, negative, positive. Now, when you've taken 1, you ignore everything in 1 in this row and in this column. Now, the first one, you ignore this and this. You'll remain with negative 3, negative 2, 4, and negative 2. This one here. Now, when you find the determinant of this, it will be negative 2 times negative 3. This one, that one will be 6. 6 minus negative 2 times 4. That will be 6 minus 8. That's why we find here 14. When you've taken the second one, you'll ignore everything in that column and everything in that row. So you'll have 2, 4, 3, and negative 2. I think you're together up to this point. When you take the second one, you ignore everything in that column and everything in that row. Now you'll have 2, 4, 3, and negative 2. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Now, when you take the third 3, you ignore everything in this column and everything in this row. Now you'll have 2, negative 3, 3, negative 2, 2, negative 3, 3, and negative 2. Now, 2, when you find the determinant of this one, you get 16. Determinant of this, you get 5. That one will be on the first row here, which if I told you were supposed to write, you could have write 14, 16, and 5. When you continue, you are in 2, right? If you're in 2, we ignore everything in 2. You ignore the 2 column and the 2 row, and the 2 column. Now you remain with 1 and 1, negative 2